Nice day outside. One ride won't hurt. All right. Hold up. Oh, I forgot my wallet.
A few minutes later.
Oh, what do we have here? Ooh, Ryker? And he left the keys in the ignition. I don't see nobody out here. I do see a free bike, so. I'm out of here.
How's it going, guys? And today is going to be a short video on a GPS tracker that I use for my Ryker. Let's talk about this GPS tracker. It comes in a box like this, as you can see. As you can see, it's 100% waterproof, dustproof, powerful built-in magnet. It's also magnetic. You could actually put it on any magnetic surface and it'll stay. I'll show you in a little bit. So it comes in this box like this. So as you can see when you open it, the tracker itself, some foam. And also what comes in it is instructions. I took the instructions out because I installed it already. It comes with instructions and a charger. So this is basically what you see when you open the box. Put this to the side. So this is the tracker itself. This is the tracker itself right here. So as I said, it's magnetic. So you can actually stick it anywhere on the bike that's magnetic. The bike has a lot of magnetic spots. I'm not gonna show you, but you could also Velcro it, maybe under the hood or something. All depends where you want to put it. So a little bit about this tracker. You can use it on cars, boats, motorcycle, airplanes, jet skis, if you have a fleet of jet skis. The reason why people use trackers now, we live in South Florida, there's a lot of car thieves and bike thieves. It's small and compact, easy to be hidden anywhere on your bike or your car. It's magnetic. You could track multiple at once, so you could buy more than one. It has a power saving mode, which turns off the lights. Let me see if I can turn the lights on. The lights may take up to 20 minutes, they said, to turn on. See the lights right there. And then you can also turn them off for power saving mode. So I actually went out and bought some Velcro just so this gets, you know, double secured. So I have the magnetic grip and the Velcro grip, because I don't want to fall off while it's being driven, you know. So these two is a good combo to have right here. So yeah, guys, this is a nice little tracker. It is called LandAirSea. You can run it with the app that you download. All the instructions will be in the box. And I'll show you a little bit about how you could track. There's monthly services, as you can see on the screen, that you could choose. It all depends what you prefer. So let's talk more about this GPS tracker. Let me get screen recording, show y'all on the app. Hope it's screen recording. Alright, so with LandAirSea, you're gonna get an app called Silver Cloud. move this over here. Alright. You're gonna get an app called Silver Cloud. So we're gonna download, basically put in your information. I'm not gonna show you guys my location, but as you can see, the GPS is on it. Then you get different options up here: share spot, fence, history. You see the history of your tracker. Also the lights I told you about, you can turn lights off. Mine are off, save more battery. And this is just basically how the app looks. It's very simple and easy.